Namaste. Engineering Mathematics Module Differential Calculus 1. Problem number 54. Find the radius of curvature of the curve r equal to a sin n theta at the pole. So radius of curvature rho equal to r square plus r1 square to the power of 3 by 2 divided by r square plus 2 times of r1 square minus r into r2. So find out r1 and r2. Okay, r is given, so curve equation is r equal to a sin n theta. So find out r1 equal to differentiation of r with respect to theta equal to a into differentiation of sin n theta is n into cos n theta. Next, find out r2. r2 is differentiation of r1 with respect to theta equal to an as it is. Differentiation of cos n theta is minus n into sin n theta. Sin n theta. Okay. Next, at the pole means angle becomes 0. At the pole, theta becomes 0. So then r equal to sin 0 is 0. 0 into a is 0. Next, r1 cos 0 is 1. 1 into an is an. Next, r2 equal to sin 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Next, to find out the radius of curvature, rho equal to r square is 0 square, r1 square is an whole square, an whole square to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, divided by, next r square is 0 plus 2 times of r1 square. So 2 times of an whole square minus r into r2 is 0. So then rho equal to this square and square root cancel, an to the power of 3 divided by 2 times of an whole square. So this and this cancel, an divided by 2. So radius of curvature is an by 2 is the answer. Okay. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So r equal to a sin n theta, r1 equal to an cos n theta, r2 equal to minus an square sin n theta. Okay. Next, at the pole we have theta equal to 0. When theta equal to 0, then r is also 0, r1 is an, then r2 equal to 0. We have radius of curvature. This is the formula. R is 0. Okay, r1 is an whole square. An whole square is a square n square. Okay, then the square and square root get cancelled. So an whole cube. Then r square is 0. r1 square is an whole square. An whole square into 2. Okay. Then r2 here 0. 0 into r is 0. So then a cube n cube divided by a square n square. So a square and here a cube nal 1 cancel agutte. N square and illi square cancel. So an divided by 2. So thus radius of curvature rho equal to an by 2 at the pole. Okay. Thank you so much.